The UP government has now claimed that there was a global plot and an international plot to defame the government. India Today has dug deeper on the Yogi government's claims, and here is what we have found.
Outrage grows over the Hathras attack. But the Uttar Pradesh government sees a plot. Insisting there's incriminating evidence of a planned conspiracy to spark riots via a digital platform on a foreign server.
कोई कह रहा फलानी जगह हम दंगा कराएंगे जाति के आधार पर, कुछ लोग उधर से मरेंगे, कुछ लोग इधर से मरेंगे, हमारे नेता आएंगे, उसके बाद जाकर के राजनीति करेंगे। यानी एक गरीब की लाश पर राजनीति करने वाले इन चेहरों को पहचानिए। तो जहां सरकार विकास कर रही हो, केंद्र सरकार लोक कल्याण के कार्य के साथ लगी हुई, वहां पर ये लोग षड्यंत्र कर रहे हो, किसी की साजिश को सफल नहीं होने देंगे।
The opposition, however, is not convinced. It accuses the state government of using diversionary tactics.
अगर सरकार का तंत्र ये पता लगाने में नाकाम होता है समय से पहले, तो हमारे देश के लिए, हम सब के लिए चिंता का विषय होता है कि सरकार का तंत्र फेलियर है।
Administration claims that digital platforms like Justice for Hathras victim could be well-planned strategy to spread rumor and instigate riots. And this is on the lines of anti-CAA protest that happened in UP and all across India.
The investigation is on, but the website in question has gone offline. India Today reached out to the US-based platform which hosted the mysterious web pages that the UP government alleges carried volatile content. And this is what we discovered. The controversial web pages were hosted by a US-based platform called Card. We also learned that no data on this was available, not even with the admin of the hosting service. Launched in 2016 by its founder, known by the pseudonym AJ, Card has become one of the most popular online places for rights activists all over the world. The platform has been extensively used by protesters during Black Lives Matter protests, as well as during the Hong Kong pro-democracy protests. The same platform has been used by activists fighting the Chinese government over the ethnic persecution of Uyghur minorities. But its founder has told India Today that all the information related to the Hathras page has now been deleted. Card's anonymous founder AJ told India Today, unfortunately, ownership information is unavailable since the site in question has already been removed, but the site and its associated account were both permanently removed in response to an abuse report after it was deemed to contain content that violated our terms of use. But in the absence of ownership data, the investigating agencies will find it difficult to unravel the whole truth behind this mysterious website. With Kumar Abhishek, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.